Stop dealing with the frustration of heavy, kinked-up hoses cluttering your yard, and finally upgrade to a setup that practically puts itself away. This wall-mounted retractable reel is a total game-changer for anyone who wants a clean, organized garden without the workout of hand-winding 100 feet of hose every time they're finished. With its smooth, any-length locking system, you just pull out exactly what you need, whether it's 5 feet for a quick rinse or the full 100 to hit the back of the yard, and it stays right there until you're done. Then, with a simple tug, the slow return system takes over, winding the hose back in neatly, safely, and without the snapping, high-speed recoil that usually comes with these types of reels. The build quality here is fantastic for anyone who takes their outdoor chore seriously. Because it's mounted on a 180-degree swivel bracket, you get full coverage around corners and across your entire patio without the hose ever catching or dragging against your garden beds. Plus, it includes a versatile 9-function sprayer nozzle that lets you switch from a gentle mist for your flowers to a high-pressure jet for cleaning off your driveway in seconds. The sleek gray finish looks professional and subtle against any wall, and because it's tucked away in its own housing, the hose stays protected from the sun and elements, meaning it'll last for years without cracking or getting brittle. It's one of those rare home upgrades that makes you wonder how you ever managed without it, turning a messy, tangled mess into a streamlined, effortless part of your day. You save space, you save your back, and you save time that you'd rather be spending actually enjoying your garden. If you are ready to stop fighting with your hose and start experiencing how smooth and efficient your yard work can actually be, click the link below for the best price.